we go over the installation of the CRXA ligature resistant town steel lock. So I've installed the latch. It has tamper resistant screws. This is a T15 pin in. So I've already installed that. And if we install the unit like this and the door goes in like that, this would be the right hand, and all we have to do to make it a right hand reverse is rotate the latch. And the same thing for left hand. This would be a left hand reverse, and if we rotated the latch the other way, it would be a left hand. This is the door prep. This is kind of an old block, but you have two 2 1/8 inch holes, and then a hole down here, and the hole down there is for the bottom post. I'm going to go through on this one how to put the latch in. You'll see there's two little tangs on the latch, right here and here, and then there's kind of another tang on either side here. This tang goes on top of the body, this goes into the body. So when you have so this is the body, and these go inside that. So this would go like that, and you can kind of see that through there. Okay. This is the latch retractor, and that pulls the latch down through here. This is an IC, but we can use any of them. I'm not going to put this on the door right now. I'm just going to show you how it goes on. So this essentially, this is the driver for the cylinder, and that mates with this part right here. And then you have the two, so that goes through there like that, and then just like that, and you mount it like that on the door. Okay. This is an 86 function storeroom, so this handle will always be fixed, and the inside you'll always have retraction. Okay. And then to secure these, we use 3 mounting screws, and these are all T20 head drive with these are tamper resistant also. So I'll put this on the door, and so this is obviously a right hand lock, and then the same thing, you just put this back onto the side here and try to align it. It's just, you got to take your time. Everything aligns, fits in. Obviously this is a mount block and not a door, so then I just put in the screws. There's 1, 2, 3 mounting screws that hold it in place. And this is so I'm not going to go through all of it, but the function is okay. So just real quick, the function is on the IC. Let's see if this is the right key. Is the outside, it retracts the latch, inside retracts the latch, outside the lever's fixed. There's no real